Sometimes, you'll have an article that's too large to display in full on the front page. You've probably been to blog sites where you can see the first part of the post, but you have to click through to see the rest. Joomla has a similar feature called Read More. In this movie, we'll create a long article, but only display a small part of it on the front page with a link to the rest. First, let's go and click Add New Article again. Here we have the article editing screen again, and we're going to write a little bit about John and Meredith themselves. So like we did last time, we're going to add a title. We're going to make sure that this article is published, so make sure that this is set to yes. We want to show this article on the front page, so set front page to yes. Leave section and category as uncategorized. We haven't created any sections and categories yet, and we'll do that later. Now we're ready to enter in our text. I've prepared some ahead of time that I'll just paste in now. And then click Save. Let's go back to the front end and hit refresh. And now we see the article here in the front end. But there's a problem. We have About John and Meredith here at the top, but we don't see About Fresh and Local yet. We only see the title of it because About John and Meredith is pushing that content down. Let's solve this by adding a Read More link to About John and Meredith. Go back to the back end and click on About John and Meredith. Let's cut it after this first paragraph. Go to the end of the first paragraph, then click on the Read More button at the bottom of the editor. Click Save. Now go to the front end and hit refresh. Now we see About John and Meredith, and we only see the first paragraph, but we can now also see the About Fresh and Local article as well. If we want to see the rest of the About John and Meredith article, we can just click Read More. Now we see the first paragraph and the rest of the article. Using Read More is a good way of breaking up long articles. You can use it to display the first bit with a link to the rest. While editing your content, click the Read More button to add a break after the introduction.